Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you, the Lofty Pad, PLANGER Lofty Pad, premium rubber jack pad for trolley jack, vehicle lift and axle stand. Universal usage, protects your car, SUV and any vehicles with pinch weld seal. Perfect for car tuning, of course, because we are a tuning family, aren't we? Oh yeah, baby. This lofty pad is perfectly suitable for different car jacks and cars. For example, Silverline, RAC, Laptronix, etc. It's easy to use, fast and safe. It fits like a glove. It has a premium quality. You can use the product for years. I agree that. The product material is robust rubber, and the dimensions are 65 millimeters per 33 millimeters, and it can lift up to 3.5 tons. This is the maximum capacity. This trolley jack pad is made for special cars like BMW, Mini, Mercedes-Benz, Daimler, and Opel or Vauxhall. Because these car building families has a special hub for the car jacks, and this PLANGER Lofty Pad matches to this hub, and it matches so nice that you can lift up the car easily, and has a protection and safety sense. The slot instruction protects the frame rate of the car, but this is not for every car, but you can handle this with every car, of course, but it's special made for BMW, Mini, Mercedes-Benz and Opel. Let's have a look.